One of the important things about these masks is that they need to be fitted quite precisely to the face. When you wear them, make sure that you don't notice any air leakage. One possibility, because of this material being so plastic in nature, is you can place this rim, perhaps about 1/4 of an inch of the rim, into hot water and then apply it to your face. Be careful not to burn yourself, and you can use your fingers to then mold the plastic to your face, and that should enhance the fit. So that's a very nice and useful trick. Another thing that's also very useful, and we've included about 15 inches of this weather stripping. I'm going to show you how to put this in. It's really quite simple. You can start pretty much really wherever you want. We've found that trying to get it as close to the top of the edge as possible of the mask usually is best. It's a little bit tricky in the nose area. You kind of have to force it in a little bit with your fingers, but make sure that you really press firmly against the tape onto the mask itself, because you don't want this to come loose later. It's also very useful to do this part really right at the very end, after you've made sure you got your mask adapted as nicely as possible. And you can see here we have a little bit of excess of the tape, and that's totally okay, because that was sized for a slightly larger one. You want to cut that off like that, and then we can probably scooch this in a little bit. I've probably got a little bit more than I really need here. We cut just a teeny bit. There we go. I like to make sure that fits really nice and snug. There we go. And then go all the way around here with your fingers and give it a really good, hard, firm press.